Alright guys, hola, bienvenidos, welcome and welcome back. Today we have the Klein rolling tool backpack. Now when I was looking into something like this, I actually didn't see a good video on it, so I wanted to do a quick overview for you guys so you can see the tool bag, what it can do, all the ins and outs of it. So we'll look at it today. It is something that I had to order. My Home Depot didn't have it, so I couldn't even go in the store to look at it to see if I even liked it. It is, like I said, $200, so we'll see if it's worth it. All the pockets, everything in it, and all the little features of it. Alright, so like I said, we're gonna figure this out together, guys. I have not opened it, I just took it out of the box. So here is the bag itself. Let me see if it's even in frame. It's a huge bag, actually, tool bag. And we're gonna find out what it looks like, what the pockets are, all that kind of stuff. So of course, this thing is built pretty well. I like the features on it. We'll see how practical it is, right? Hard bottom base. It's on wheels. I thought that was awesome. And then this telescoping handle, right? Really cool. And it actually goes through the side and kind of gives it that frame all the way around. And that feels really good. All right, so let's see what's inside the main compartment. Bam, I like that it folds all the way down. Bunch of pockets. That's really cool. So you're gonna have one that can be enclosed with a Velcro flap. We're gonna have a bunch of pockets for screws, you know, whatnot, little pen-sized pockets here. And then the flap itself has really cool wide pockets at the bottom. A lot of screw and plier storage. And like I said, I like that it opens all the way down. And of course, you got that little mounting bracket. If you have their headlamp, it'll clip in there and you can do that. If you need some extra light, that's kind of cool. Now let's open the front. We got like a little catch-all type of pocket here. So it has these little webbings on the side. This little, when you pull it out, it won't just fall down. You can store a good amount of stuff in there. That way nothing falls out, even though you have it all the way open. And then we have this hard shell up here. Same kind of deal. It can catch a lot of stuff. Nothing will fall out, even with it all the way open. And then another cool feature is going to be the straps. You got a backpack. It's kind of big, I'm not going to lie, but you have that option to do the backpack route. So let's say you wheel it up to a ladder, in my case, and then you're going to get on the rooftop. You can put it on you and then get on the roof, or get up the ladder on the roof and then go from there, whether you're going to continue, you know, carrying it on your back, or you want to roll it to whatever you're working on. Love that option. So this is a 28 pocket tool bag. So we're going to measure it out too, because I have some ideas for it. And then we'll try it out in the field and see how good it is. This hard bottom base feels really good too. It's very hard on the bottom, and then this side is a little softer to where the material kind of stitches together. They have it stitched. I think I would have just liked some D-rings, some other stuff on the sides, but it's built really well. It's built like a tank. So we'll see. Very cushioned. Straps feel very cushioned. You have all these options here on the strap. You got a chest strap too. Pretty cool. All right, and just so you guys have an idea of how big it is, because that was my concern. From the floor here, we are just at 26 and a half with the little button here. So 26 and a half inches up, that's your clearance here. And then width is going to be just about 17, maybe 17 and a half. And then your depth, front to back, including the pockets, we're going to give it 8.5, 9 inches. Now if we open it, because I'm going to be putting some stuff in here to really pack it in. From the bottom of it to the very top is about 19. So you got 19 inches clearance in the pouch, in the main compartment, and about 14 inches you can push up against the sides here. So not too bad. And then, I mean, it just depends as far as the depth, about 5.5 inches. All right, so just so you can have a closer look, see all the pockets that you get, the wide ones here, some more here. This is the one that flips open if you need to have something, I guess, closed there. These go up in size a little bit from small to big. You have all these stretchy loops up here that go across. You also have some down here. So you can kind of also use these for long tools here. If you need bit storage, stuff like that. And then here are the other pockets on the bottom. It's a very wide compartment too. Very spacious, very open. All right, as I'm filling this out for my next video, I just figured out that there's a flap here. Now it's a weird little microfiber type of cloth, but I think it's because they want you to put sunglasses in here, or safety glasses. But there's a little divider, so that's kind of cool. All right, and just so you know that this little flap here is also for the storage. So if you're gonna be rolling it around, I know that it was like, oh, is it gonna be dragging, messing up the straps? You're supposed to put them like that. That way they're tucked out of the way, and then when you need the backpack, you just take them out. So this little area is just a complete pass-through, and it's a little pouch. You can maybe also put a few other things in there if you are just going to leave them out. You can put a few little knickknacks or tools in there, just to kind of go in there and grab it. And you got the hook up here too, in case you need to hang it up anyhow. I don't know how heavy this thing will get with it loaded out of, you know, with your tools, but it does have that option. Okay, and then the bag by itself, let's see. I think that's what I had read. It's about 13 pounds, almost 14. So just keep that in mind. It's kind of light for how it looks, but it's still, you know, it's a beefy tool bag backpack. So once you load it out, it's going to start getting real heavy. All right, so you've seen me rolling it around, showed what it looked like at the beginning of the video, but what does it look like when you have it on? Like I said, it's kind of beefy, it's kind of big. So I would have to adjust these. Let's see. just to my liking. So something like that. You have a little chest strap there. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I am right under 6 foot. I'm 5'11", 5'10", so just so you guys get a picture of it. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully it was helpful if you guys are looking into this bag, or maybe you didn't know about it. There is a backpack with wheels that is fairly affordable. It is a little on the higher price of what I would like. It's 200 bucks. Is it worth 200 bucks? Only time will tell. I wish it had more outside storage, like pockets or D-rings or something of that nature, where we could kind of customize it a little bit more, which is what I'm used to with my other bags, you know, like the Hvacr Pro Pack kind of stuff. But I like that it is on wheels. I like that it has a telescoping handle. It's affordable for that kind of bag, but it's very open inside, and that's what I needed. So on the if you guys want to stay tuned and find out how I load it out, stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to be working on that over the week and the weekend so I can get it dialed in just right. If you know anything about my channel and what I do here, is I like to have loadouts for different things. So I already have something in mind for this one that's going to help me tremendously, basically every day or every week, on projects that I have and repairs that I do. So we're going to load it out. That'll be the next video. And if all goes well, it's going to be a really cool loadout. And like I said, I wish it had more storage, because I could have done so many other things with it, but we're dealing with what we have. This is the only kind like it, unless you go into the Hvacr Pro Pack Wheeler lineup, and those are going to run you anywhere from like $300–400. I can't remember the prices right now, but they are up there, but they offer way more storage and way more stuff. But for something basic, 200 bucks is not too bad. I had to order it, so I wasn't able to kind of see it beforehand. If it doesn't work for me, obviously I'll return it, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like on, how the measurements, you know, everything I could. That way, if you guys are interested in it, you can make a decision based on the video. So like I said, hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys on the next video, hopefully. And remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys.